Guku ne kwa Kikuyu podcast. Sabina Chege muthenya wa ira na Mudavadi umwami nyararirie muthenya wa ira. Lekinya pedu muhutiria hanini uria Sabina Chege araugire ate na video ndamwekerera ati Gachagua kuma athie ne kugite na thayo muno, ati ona ndagacoke na ihenya nikare na kou USA. Eneke Sabina Chege araugo nego kau na Mudavadi agoka akauga ati in Africa could defeat a sitting president mundu retha tamu ya keri ati ni harito muno. Akaena example na higo ya Moi hau neguka. Ladies and gentlemen, because aya do miario iria mararia ni kuingiria magiretie guoya na makona haha mbere tiega marona their election haiko. Sabina Chege akeria thiini wa video kana mathite thiini wa empowerment imwe arire andu atiriri ati Gachagua ende gwikana ku ati kuma hingwa athire ni kugite na thayo. Ni thayo uriku marauga because eguku ni akoretwo inject na njira nene muno. No riu they feel relieved. Hey, ona muonaga Oscar Sudi nake niguo auga the same things, but it's because these guys fear Gachagua. They know him very well. Ni mamenya agiuka opposition yake tinini. Opposition yake eno itu mwingi okira opposition area Raila Odinga akoretwo enayo. They fear him and they fear acoka ningi ni kwenda ku inject na njira nene muno. Yo Sabina Chege akeria tena akauga ati araigua ati Gachagua tiagadae na fear riko na Gachagua thiete state na kuria US hai Dallas tomona kwa state kwa ithano ucio ni arauga na fear. Ladies and gentlemen, yo
sasa mnamuona ameenda kule ngambo na nchi imetulia kama hako hapa, si akae huko, akae kidogo huko. Mnataka arudi kwa haraka? Si akae huko kwanza. Na nimesikia fea ni kama tuchange kidogo, tumtumie fea, tuchange kidogo. Ati fea mnatumia warembo peke yake. Nyinyi watu wa Bodo mko na maneno. Mmesema fea ni warembo
Guys, ucio ni Sabina Chege. Gachagua ende ikaikara na kuria ati ona fea ndari. Guys, mundu thiete state icio ciothe ni fea tai nayo, because they fear oka nyingi. They are fearing ni aguka ni kuvuruga muno. Now rekiru tuingie thiini wa video ino ya umwami Mudavadi akiuga ati could defeat a sitting president ni haritu muno in Africa. Akaena example na higo ya Moi. Guys, akenya bede mwere kaudo itambukia video no. Higo ya Moi twari under a very different constitution. Twari under electoral process higo yari tofauti. Moi ni agia manipulate election the way Museveni manipulate. Yeah, he could manipulate. Neke higo utake na odu wa gutuma results electronically. Daish kuya ni ukumenyekana. Higo ya Moi ni ugetwo we chairman wa IBC by then. Etagwate higo IBC etagwate higo na mata kura to data wa IBC. Ukero ni atagatha kandu atagatha. Ni atagatha kandu atagatha. Ugane ni ndashinda. Kana all else because we are under a different constitution. Higo na Mudavadi yauga atiriri gushinda Ruto ni harito. Men, sai ni raisi sana. Andu aya already ni maigiretie guoya. Yuyo mundu ugwitwo umwami akiaria, that is Musalia Mudavadi. Yo akiaria.
Do you know, I've been telling people it's usually very difficult on African soil to defeat a president who is looking for his second term. If you go back, we now go back to the era of Moi. We move away from his first 14 years when it was single party. We now come to multipartyism in 1992. When the original Ford, ile ya kina Matiba, Muliro, Jaramogi Oginga Odinga, Shikuku, Paul Mwite, name them. Well, when they gathered in Kamkunji, everybody said, Moi amekwisha, hakuna njia, dunia imeenda. And there were massive defections. People were running away to defect, thinking that that is where it will be easy. Moi then told them, mimi ni professor wa siasa, ngoja tu utaona. After a while, the original Ford was scattered into 4 pieces. 4. Moi walked back into office. Through the ballot, he won. By the time the opposition was saying, how did it happen? He had been voted in because people had cast the ballot.
Now, gwiciria ni mwathikiria kwa umakini muno. Na hena kaundu Mudavadi ageria kwira opposition. And this is very important. Okay, we are under different constitution as we speak. Kuya ni harito muno. But the only thing Ruto agishida githurano kia mwaka wa 2027 is through scattering kiluge wito opposition. Mudavadi is trying to tell opposition ati Ruto will scatter you, and when he will scatter you mutigashida. Kalonzo athie na guku na kura ciake milioni 2, Matiang'i nake mwe na guku, na Tembea nake 2 na guku, na Gachagua athie na kura ciake milioni 5 na guku, nake oke apenye gatagati. That's what Omwami and Mudavadi is trying to tell opposition. So opposition magiriirwo gukorwo manyitanite na njira nene muno. Of course we know oloko maundu maya nimathia akamaskata. We know in some elections Moi niacidagwo na ti election imwe, but eka maundu maya na force. Higa gibakentwo ni 2007. What happened? And it's because we were under different constitution. Nikio mahota wika maundu maya mundu akapisho, then watagathagwo wapishitwo. Na the moment wapisho, in fact, remember, he got judiciary independent. Koguo ona shira watwara kuria ingesimama tuna state, judiciary was not independent. Electoral process or kana IBC electoral, okay, IBC by then it was not independent. Katiba ya 2010 niyo yoka yagayukania maundu maya mothe, judiciary kado, IBC kado, but by then it was but the same thing. So he go metheni wa nyamo emwe thirikari emwe kiruge witwo body ya election and president judiciary and mutongoria bũrũri atangathwo apisho immediately. Mugiathire kumwena atia wewe judge ni ugiathire wathana against him, igathire ku we oyo akwera dagatha or else ni ugiakiria. We know all what happened, but now we are in different era. That's what Omwami should know. We are in different era, but still on a different era. Hena kaundu opposition yagirwo gwika manyitane gina mwisho. Makoro me hamwe, they will defeat Kasongo. But if they will accept to be scattered, defeating Kasongo will be very difficult. So opposition togoretio ni Gachagua, Kalonzo, Matiang'i and the rest should be together. Matigetike uko scattered in any way. They should not allow it in anyway. Manyitane jina mwisho. Guys, woko ne kwa Kikuyu Podcast. Maoni manyu naiko inyu murata. But still, they're terrified. They know. Adwa manyitana matikona gitiki. They are terrified. Vibaya sana. Guys, it is what it is. Woko ne kwa Kikuyu Podcast. Maoni manyu naiko inyu murata. Thank you. God bless you. Thank you guys.